In this video, I want to show you the best way to place in-play free bets. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. If you've not yet joined up to the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, do check out the link in the description, and I'll approve you straight away as long as your Facebook profile doesn't look too dodgy. That was a joke, by the way. So, betting in play to use free bets, it's a question that gets asked a lot on the live streams that I do here on the channel Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. And it also gets asked a lot on the Facebook group. So I just wanted to put a video together. We're going to get on the laptop and I'm going to go through the OddsMonkey guide there and show you everything you need to know. And then I'm also going to add in my tips that I would suggest you look at doing in order to place these free bets that are in-play offers. So getting on the laptop then, you can see here the daily offer calendar, which to get to that is simply just offers and then the second from the bottom there, so daily offer calendar. And by the way, just as a separate side note, I would highly recommend that you check the daily offer calendar. As it says daily, check it every single morning around sort of 10 in the morning. They update it normally. And you can see there's 132 offers here at the moment that they found appropriate to tell you about. That is probably on the high side of what you would normally see. Normally it's between about 80 to 90-ish. But because we have the England v Germany match on tonight, that's why there's the extra high number of offers there available. But this daily offer calendar is going to show you these in-play free bets. So you can see there from that bookmaker there, bet 10 on doubles, get 5 in play, and there's loads of them like that come up all the time. Now, OddsMonkey have very kindly, if you go onto training and then general tips and guides, they have got, it's a very short guide here, which is why I wanted to make this video and kind of add in what I would recommend you do as well. But really short guide here. Normally they have a video to do with these guides, but there is no such thing on this one. But yeah, it just says here, lots of bookmakers will have offers to be used in play. Unfortunately, due to the speed at which we get the odds and the way they can change quickly, you can't use the odds matcher to find them, so you'll have to do it manually. And that's what I wanted to talk about, really. But what you need to do, as it says here, is get the bookmaker website open in one tab, just like I have the daily offer calendar here in this tab, and then the guide here in this tab. So just set up tabs here, bookmaker in one tab, and then the exchange, so Smarkitz. You would want to be using Smarkitz to be getting that 0% commission when you connect your OddsMonkey to Smarkitz. Of course, we all know you pay 0% commission. And get the calculator in a third. So you would have 3 tabs there. The bookmaker, the Smarkitz tab, and then the calculator, which would just be tools, calculator, just the standard calculator there. And what it says here, which is what I would also advise, is it says, now our advice is to wait until halftime, and it says you don't want to be backing Liverpool at 1.5 odds with a lay at 1.52, which is fantastic. If you're using that to qualify for the free bet, that's great odds. Only for them to concede a goal just after you place your back bet, because then obviously the lay odds would go flying up. You would then no longer be able to lock in that for a low qualifying loss. But it says here the best markets to check will be match odds, so meaning who will win the match, correct score, and then the over/under market, which I'll bring up Smarkitz now and show you where you can find those different markets there. So here on Smarkitz, we've got the England-Germany match up, and we're currently 50 minutes into that match. So this is a great example. I mean, it's past half time now, so you wouldn't want to be doing any in-play bets on this. It is better at half time. But to find these other markets, so you've got the match result there, and you can go ahead and close that down. And then you've got your other ones here. So correct score, you would literally just drop down correct score tab. You've got all your blue boxes here for your lay bets there for correct score. And then you've also got your over and under, which are just here, goals over/under. And then you got 2.5, 3.5. And you can drop that down and then toggle between which goal over and under market it would be. So, a great one here for qualifying you for the free bet would be like this. Under 1.5 goals is a 1.6 lay odds. So if the bookmaker, if that was say 1.62, that'd be fantastic. You would place that. And if you wanted to place the free bet, then you would want higher odds. So as it says here on the guide, check the terms and conditions for the offer. If it's a qualifying bet, These will normally need odds of at least 1.5, and it says have a look for anything between 1.5 and 3 at the bookmaker, then look to Smarkitz to compare those odds to make sure that they're close enough. Once you find something close, use the calculator to work out the qualifying loss, and if it's acceptable, go back to place your back bet. Wait until it's confirmed, as there is a delay for all in-play bets, then lay your bet. The odds may change in between, so be prepared to adjust the calculator, which you can do very quickly. And then it says, if you have a free bet, higher odds are better, but in play, they can be far apart for higher odds. So take a look at anything between 4 and 7. And then it says, if you can get 70% from your free bet, you found a good match. So as I was going to say, goals over and under market, this over 2.5 goals market, the lay is actually 6.6, which is great. That's between your 4 and 7 there for a free bet. So if the back odds were, say, 6.0, without checking the maths on that, I think that would be over 70%, I believe. And that would be a great match then to just place your free bets on there. So that really is everything that you need to know with how to place in-play bets when you're using either a qualifying bet to get a free bet, or if it is the free bet that you have already. If you want to read this guide through, then obviously check out OddsMonkey, get on that training guide, and have a look for yourself and have a read through there. But it really is that easy. It's just a simple case of having the tabs open and then manually finding a match at halftime at the correct odds, whether it's a qualifying bet or a free bet. If you found this video helpful, please do press the like button below. It massively helps me out. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.